Hello, friends. This is going to be our math lesson for tomorrow. We are going to be talking about finding missing factors. Okay, so when we look at a number problem, the factors, let me just change my color here, are each of these numbers right here. These are considered factors. Okay, just going to change that real fast so you can see it. So these are our factors. Okay, and then our number over here, the end number, is our product. Okay, so this would be considered the product, which is the answer at the end, right here. So for our, oops, I just want to go ahead and erase that now. So for today's lesson, though, we are only going to know one of our factors, and so we're going to have to try to figure out what the other factor is. So let's say our problem is 6 times n equals 18. We need to know what is this missing factor right here. So we need to know 6 times what will get us 18. So essentially what we can do is we can add 6 until we get to 18. So 6 plus 6 is 12. And then plus another 6 gets me to 18. Therefore, since I added 3 6's, my missing number n would be 3. So if I took 6 times 3, I would get 18. So my missing factor was 3. Let's try another one. Let's say I was doing n times 5 equals 20. Okay, so I want to know what is this missing factor right here. What does it equal? So how many groups of 5 am I going to have to get to 20? So again, I can keep skip counting by 5s until I get to 20. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. So that would equal 20. So then how many groups of 5 did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means that n equals 4. Okay? All right. Now if I open up this blank page, I'm going to give you some problems to go ahead and just solve on your own. Okay, so 2 times n equals 18. And then I'm just going to switch this to a different pen color. I'm also going to have you do n times 3 equals 12. Oh, got a little bit far on that one. 3, I'm going to get a different color. Let's see, green. 3 times n equals 21. And then the last one will be n times 10 equals 80. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video and solve those problems either on your whiteboard or just a plain piece of paper. You could use a marker or a pencil, whatever you prefer. Okay, so just for time purposes, I'm going to go ahead and solve this. So if I wanted to figure out 2 times what would give me 18, I can skip count again by 2s. Change that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So how many groups of 2 did I have to get to 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means for this problem, n equals 9. Kiss your brain if you got that one correct. The next problem, I'm going to switch to blue. We have 3, 6, I'm using my skip counting by 3s, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So n in this problem, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 equals 4. And then for the last problem, no, I actually gave you that one. Oh my goodness, this should be an n, but I gave you the answer, which was 7, because I just know that problem. But 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21, which should equal 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So for this one, n equals 7. And then our last one, we are going to skip count by 10s until we get to 80. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So let's count how many times we skip counted by 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So n equals 8. So 8 times 10 would give me 80. We are going to continue practicing this during our stations today. You did a great job. You can give yourself 3 pats on the back for a good job done. All right. Keep up the great work. Bye, friends.